All right. What we got going on here now? So just got off the bus, getting to my destination. And, people started coughing. I was just like, okay, whatever. Same shit over, same shit differently. That's all. All right. Same shit differently. That's all that is. Clown dudes. Clown dudes. Yep, so like I said in my first video, they were trying to silence me. That's what they always do anyway. Always try to silence you as a TI from speaking. And I guess that's why a lot of TIs stopped making YouTube videos. They have been successfully neutered, okay, psychologically, emotionally, sexually, they've been socially, they've been neutered, all right. So that's what I call it. Actually, I didn't call it. My brother used to say, what this is a psychological castration. He used to constantly say that shit. And I definitely believe what he's saying now. But I just changed it to be neutered. Okay? Neutered, meaning that, nothing can be born out of you, right? In terms of what you want to do in life. Okay, they will do everything to sabotage it. It's like black people in this country and nigger people in this country, right? I was watching a video of a white guy. He was talking about Tulsa, Oklahoma, and he was like, I never knew this part of America, this part of history, right? And there's a very, very important events that happen in America, particularly when it comes to pertaining to black people in America. The history, right? All the things that white people have done, and then turn around and tell black people, "Oh yeah, you can, you can do it." My father pulled himself up by his bootstrap. Again, lies. I'm a self-made millionaire. Again, lies. Nobody is a self-made millionaire or self-made millionaire. No one. Okay? No one. So when people say that they're self-made, I'm like, no, you're not self-made. You didn't do things by yourself. You got help from somebody else or institution or what have you, whether it be a financial institution or whatever, right? Whether your parents gave you money to start a business, whether, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then in the business sector, you have to have employees, right? And good employees to where your business which helps your business grow. Okay? Because prior to the destruction of unions, okay, workers understand how important they were. Okay? Workers had some of the greatest bargaining rights prior to I would say to the ending of the 1980s. Okay, it's during the 90s is when you start to see unions die off in masses. Okay, because what corporations have done is transplant within the minds of workers that they need the job more than their employers need them. They need the employer more than the employer need them, and that's not true. And again, we're looking at the silent takeover of people's mind, the transplanting of people's mind. Again, it takes decades. It doesn't take a year or two. It takes decades. It usually takes about 2 or 3 generations to change the mindset of an entire population. If the government wants to do it, they can do it. Okay. Anyway, my bus is here. I'll talk to you guys when the bus.